Welcome back. In this video, we are going to understand one of the powerful concepts in DAX, that is variables. Variables help you write cleaner formulas, improve performance, and make your logic much easier to read and maintain. If your DAX formulas are getting long or confusing, this technique will completely change how you write the measures. So, what are DAX variables? Text variables allow you to store a value or calculation inside a name and reuse it later in the formula. Instead of repeating the same calculations again and again, we defined it once using var and then return the result using return. Think of a variable like a temporary containers that make your code more. Let's look at the basic structure. First, we define a variable using var and then we assign a calculation to it. Finally, we use return to output the final result. This structure improves the readability and makes debugging much easier. Here you can see the comparison. Okay. So here, without variables, the same calculation appears multiple times, making the formula long and hard to read. Okay. On the left side, you see a measure written without the variables, and the same calculations appears the multiple times, and making the code long and difficult to maintain. On the right, the same logic is written using variables. Notice how the formula becomes shorter, cleaner, and much easier to understand. Variables are not just about readability, they also improve the performance. When you repeat the same calculation multiple times in a measure, DAX may evaluate it repeatedly. But when you store that calculation in a variable, Power BI computes it once and reuses the result. This reduces computation time and improves report performance, especially with large data sets. Let's look at a practical example. Suppose we want to calculate a profit. Instead of writing sum of sales or and sum of cost multiple times, we create two variables, one for total sales and one for total cost. Then we simply subtract cost from sales and return the table. This approach makes business logic extremely easier. One of the biggest advantage of variables is logic flow. You can build your calculations step by step. First, define the intermediate results and combine them into the final output. This makes your measures easier to review and understand, especially when working in teams or during the interviews. Common mistakes to avoid are forgetting the written keyword will cause the errors, and trying to use variables outside their scope is another common issue. Remember, variables exist only inside the measures when they are defined. Also, variables are evaluated once, which is important when dealing with the contest. Okay. So you can create multiple variables to build complex logic in layers. For example, you might calculate total sales and filter the sales, then growth percentage, all using separate variables. This approach keeps your formula modular and easier to optimize later. Let's quickly summarize. DAX variables help you write cleaner formulas. They improve performance by reducing the repeated calculations. They make debugging easier and enhance the collaboration. We'll also see some of the practical examples. Let's now see the practical example of this. So I have this data here for sales. They got the ID, date, customer name, region, product, sales, and the cost. Okay. So first, we'll just see how this works. We'll just create a new measure here. Okay, into the sales, for profit with, like, just to understand how without a variable this works. Okay, so I'm just ready profit without the variable. So sum of sales data, okay, minus the sum of cost. Okay, I'll just commit it. Okay, and here I'll just take this table visual and we'll just add a region here and the measure that we have created. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So we have this here. Okay. Now, let's also create a new measure using the variables and we'll see how that works as well. Okay. So here I'm creating a variable like profit using variable. First variable as total sales equals sum of sales data, that's sales price, and variable total cost like the cost. Okay. And the variable profit is equal to total sales minus the total cost, and return, what we are returning is the profit, and we just say comment. Okay, we have that as well. Okay, and we'll just add this into a table also. Okay, so you can see both results are same, but where makes text readable and kind of efficient. Okay, so there's like not much difference in the video. Okay, and we can see one more thing. What we can do is we can just see a card table as well here, and we just see profit using where, and another card table. Okay, this is- and another card table, and where we say profit without where. So you can see both of them are same. Okay, but variables in text help us store intermediate results, so we don't repeat the calculations. This improve performance and makes formulas easier to understand. Okay, so hope you guys have understood this